You guys asked for it again. So in return, make sure to hit that like button. Let's see how many likes we can hit on this video. But I'm showing you what I'm wearing at the beginning of today's video. The gym red Jordan 1s and some more camo cargo pants from Minimal. Now I just want to clear this up. I do not wear the same pants every day. I just like these so much that I got them to send me 4 pairs of them. Cause they're sick.
Jump in the jump. Tap when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. So out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line with your fall through with the light sticks. Lady, help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go. It's only up from there. I've been on like young.
Okay, it is absolutely official. I have done the math. I have crunched the numbers. Today, March 9th, 2020, is the best day of the year. Here is why. Yesterday was daylight savings time, which means the sun went from setting at like 5:55 to setting at 6:55, which is absolutely amazing. I love daylight. I love being outside for daylight, and I'm not outside at 6:30 in the morning very often, so having it be an hour later is just empirically better if you ask me. Second, it is 21 degrees Celsius outside today, which is beautiful. That's high 70s, low 80s, probably low 70s. I don't know how Fahrenheit works, but it's 21 degrees Celsius. Third and final part about why March 9th is the best day ever is that everyone is freaking out about the coronavirus and like no one is outside. I mean, it's New York, so there's still people outside, but everywhere in the city is just empty today.
Just running through the field, saying vivid for the ears. I know that's how they like. Yeah, I fantasize. Tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I say they half in it, but let them know the fear of the past and progressive. And we black men with a passion, steady grip when I shoot to the stars with a full grip.
Me personally, I think it's a little bit silly that people are reacting this much. I mean, I was in a CVS last night and there was nothing left in the cold and flu aisle. Every piece of Tylenol, every piece of NyQuil and Dayquil and whatever else you take for colds and flus was completely gone. Point being is that we're all gonna die anyway, so there's no point trying to avoid it. Speaking of that, I want to get a pair of shoes that comes out this weekend. There's this pair of shoes that comes out on Saturday that I would like to get today so I could show it to you guys tomorrow when this video goes live, because I like showing you guys shoes early and you guys love watching it. So we are in the Lower East Side. Round 2 typically has shoes early. Round 2 typically has good prices. Round 2 has very nice staff. Round 2 is a cool store in general. I think we're gonna go to round 2. They do not have them, which is unfortunate. This is usually the best place if you're trying to find shoes early for like a pretty decent price. Round 2 usually has them, and they don't. I know they had them on their Instagram a couple days ago, except I guess someone has picked them up and they're no longer here. But while we're here, let's check out what they got. Since everyone cares about dunks now, let's look at some of the dunks. These things are really cool. I'm not gonna pretend to know like I know anything about these. These could be super cool. SYS, SB Low, Goofy, worn with box. $300. So this must be a pretty cool pair of shoes. I mean, I like it. It's sort of like a Lakers color. And then these ones are crazy. This looks like a Hunter type thing. Oh yeah, it's called the Hunter SBs, which makes total sense. You have a Realtree camo. Yeah, like that quilted orange on the inside. These are only $150. I mean, they're sort of worn and beat up, but still a pretty cool pair of shoes for $150. Nike SBs are officially awesome. Once again, I don't know what these are, except it's just a denim pair of Nike SBs. These would look so cool with my camo cargo pants that I wear every single day. I like these. They're size 10.5, $200. Pretty freaking cool, but as I said, a size 10.5, not a 12. I've had lots of you guys ask why I don't have a car in New York City, or some people that are just mad at the world have said that I'm an idiot or I'm poor because I spend money on sneakers but don't have a car. Let me show you why it's a stupid idea to have a car in New York City. There's a school bus sitting here blocking the only lane of traffic, and who knows how many cars sitting behind the school bus not going anywhere. Having a car in Manhattan is stupid. Since round 2 doesn't have them, I want to give one last shot and go to Flight Club now. You guys know how I feel about Flight Club prices. Let's just say it like that. But I really want to get my hands on these shoes. I am setting a standard though. If it's absolutely insanely, absurdly, stupidly ridiculous, I'm not getting them.
With the loose sleep, then I proofread till I lose sleep. couldn't handle the truth. Me in bed with the right, love at first sight, art over hype. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play to call.
Nope, 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 nope. $450 plus tax. So I mean, let's conservatively call that $485, I think. Nope. That being said, I think I might know one more place where I can get them. We got them. We got them. We got him. Okay, I just need to give a big thank you to, first off, my friend Edwin. He is the son of some man on YouTube. He does a bunch of sneaker reviews as well. So if you guys would like to watch his channel, I'd really recommend doing that. And then also J&M Sneakers in Queens or Brooklyn, maybe. I don't exactly know where it's like right on the border of Brooklyn and Queens. It's on Myrtle Avenue. I can tell you that for free. But J&M Sneakers, because they hooked it up with this pair of shoes. And I would just like to thank them because these were $450 at Flight Club. You guys have probably figured out what these are by now. They are the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Desert Sage. I like these. Like, this is a cool pair. This is a really cool pair of shoes. I really like this colorway. It sort of reminds me of the Marsh colorway that we had about a month ago. It was a Yeezy Supply exclusive colorway, and they're sort of more yellow, except they had like a cool sock liner accent color. But these ones are very interesting. I feel like this is a Yeezy that's going to stand out a little bit more, maybe a little bit less wearable than most Yeezy colorways we have been seeing recently, but I do appreciate these a lot more. I'm looking for unique and different things from Yeezy at this point. I don't want to see more earth tone colorways, and while the majority of this is still earth tone, I think just the cool accents of the bottom and then the bright orange give it enough to where it's worth buying it for me. For $220, I'd definitely be willing to pay for it. I just want to give you guys a big warning. If you are looking to buy on the resale market or you are looking to buy an early pair, I was talking with one of the employees at Flight Club, and they were telling me that they have had several fake pairs of these brought to them already, that they've stopped and they found out that they're fake. They didn't put them in the store, but they've had several fake pairs of these brought to them and tried to be consigned with them. So apparently there's a lot of fakes out there. So just warning you guys, be careful. If you're not getting these for retail, if you're trying to get these early, if you're trying to get these for resale, if you're not able to get them on Saturday morning, be careful. So these are releasing Saturday morning, March 14th. If you guys didn't know and weren't aware, I know there's so many Yeezy releases, it's hard to keep track. They'll be releasing at all the boutiques, all the Foot Lockers, all the Foot Actions. Same places that usually get Yeezy releases will be getting these ones as well. The prime knit on these, I never know how well it gets picked up on camera. So it's sort of like a stone gray with undertones of green, and then the stripe is a much lighter gray. The lace is an even more green olive shade with undertones of gray, and then of course we have the bright orange on the bottom. And then this almost looks like the inside of a plum. Like, you know when you bite into a plum and it has the purple peel, but then it has this fruity color on the inside? That's sort of what these look like, and that's the shade I would describe this. Would I recommend buying these? Yeah, like I'd say if you like the colorway, if you like Yeezys in general, go for these. I don't think there's most likely not going to be any resale on these at all. I mean, maybe if you're able to buy in bulk, you can make $20, $30, $40 a pair, and then it's worth it for you. But if you're just like a regular person trying to make some cash, I think there's better releases to go for if you're trying to resell them. This is a pair of shoes that if you want to wear them and enjoy them, it's going to be a great pair of shoes to do that. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate every single one of you. I'm going to hit you with some detailed up-close looks of these in just a second. But before we do that, just make sure to... One second, there's a helicopter. Okay, we're good. As I was saying, make sure to give me a follow on Instagram. It does help out the channel in a huge way. Twitter as well. Both are at Tom Stefaniuk. Links down in the description. Just go click those links. Hit me with a follow. I appreciate and love you guys. Also, the March mystery box is on sale. We're going to officially announce everything in it this coming weekend, except the t-shirt designs are out of this world. We have sticker packs. We have sneaker cleaning supplies. We have some awesome sneakers that we're including in some boxes. And of course, one lucky box is getting a boosted board as well. So let me know what you think of these down in the comment section below. Drop a comment on your thoughts on the Yeezy Desert Sage. If you're still watching to this point in the video, comment Desert Sage down in the comment section below. That being said, I'm gonna hit you with some close-ups of these, and until next time, peace.
Everything, yeah. But I wanna feel everything, yeah, everything, yeah.
Okay, you guys want to see something cool? Press for poetry. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's a song and not poetry, but still cool.